Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time I didn't do a video and I was so busy. Apologies for the late. So today we are going to review a product for child care and child safety, and we got this product from Ikea, and this is a child lock system for your drawers or for your fridges, because my son is 2 now and he keeps opening the drawers and taking stuffs and everything. Even he opened my fridge and he's started throwing like my the eggs and vegetables and everything. So we thought we will do some clickers to lock all the drawers. My son is around. He's just like checking what I'm doing. So that's Rahul. Rahul, say mommy. So Rahul, say hi. Say hi. Alright, so we got this product from Ikea, and this is pretty expensive, and no, don't disturb mama. This is expensive. It's like 25 dirhams for 2 clips, and we're going to show it to you and demonstrate how to fix this in your drawers or on your fridges. So that's what the video is going to be all about, and my husband is going to fix, and he's going to be my carpenter. This one is called a Patrol, 7.5 to 20 centimeters, and this is how, oops, my son keeps taking this. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, so this is 25 dirhams in Dubai, and that's how the back. We checked it in Ikea, and they had a sample piece, and it looks very strong. So let's see how this works. Yeah, so stay tuned and enjoy the video. See you soon. Okay, so this is the 3 pieces what you are seeing right now. So once you open a pack, you get these pieces. So this is like the long strip, and you have one lock here and one lock here. In the back you see this is a sticker type. You just need to remove the sticker and fix it, and this is, I guess this is 3M, so it is more stronger, and yeah, we just need to find the place, and we are going to fix it. Alright, so this is the place we are going to fix it right now, and you just need to clean it, wipe it, the space nicely, and we are going to stick that. Just check the measurement before you stick it, so you know exactly where you're going to fix. So this is the ones, and my son keeps opening the drawer from like that, so we are going to fix it in the middle, and you're going to remove the sticker. So you're going to remove the sticker like that, and just fix it on the clean surface. That's a lock system, so fix it exactly. Oopsie. So you fix that. So it's just you let that open, and you're going to put the strip inside the lock. Yeah. Okay, so that's how you just put that in, just to open and close. Yeah, you press it open, and you're going to put that strip in, and you're going to lock that up. Just press it hard so that gets locked. So now you officially fixed one part of the side, and the other side is the same. Check the measurement. So that's how you fix that, and just see the measurement exactly before you stick it. You can mark it with a pen, marker, whatever you like. So that gets locked. And you're going to remove the sticker from the other lock, and you're going to fix it over the marked area. So you're going to have it locked inside, And there's one more option they have here. If you want, you can even put a nail on here and you can just hang it. So there's an option for that also. That's a good idea, just in case if you're not happy with the stickering. And then you're going to stick it and you're going to press it hard. Actually it takes like 12 hours to get it fixed properly, so just leave it to fix fully and then you're going to lock it. That's it. So you just press hard to lock and just press the button to open up. Yeah, so that's it's easy to open, and you're going to press it harder. So yeah, and I guess for the kids pressure it shouldn't open. And that's it. That's the installation of this child clicker. So we have successfully fixed our lock system for the drawers in the kitchen, and one more we have for our fridge. Alright, the next one is for our fridge. The second one we fix it here. So it's the same thing. You just clean the space and you're going to remove the sticker and fix it according to the size measured. And for removing, you just press this. Oopsie. You just need to press it and that comes off, so you can open your fridge. Once you close it, you're going to click and you're going to lock it. So that's how it is. Yeah, so we have one here and we have the next one here, and the two pieces is gone. And also we are thinking to fix it here for this because he keeps opening that, plus there's one more here. Yeah. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video and it is knowledgeable, and personally I really liked the lock and it's pretty good material. You know, Ikea, we don't need to have any concern about Ikea products because we can trust it, but the pricing for 2 locks is a little bit pricey. So that's all is my concern, and yeah, that's it. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and give your support. I will see you soon on to my next video. Till then, it's bye from Suki. Take care everyone. Bye.